Hello, and welcome to Tangy Subtle Luxuries, where I share luxury, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So today I have a good video for you guys. I'm going to talk to you guys about two tote bags that I picked up from Coach, and I'm trying to decide which one I should keep. So I need your help in doing so. Also, if you're new and you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to my channel. I need you, and welcome to the family. If you're an OG, thank you for coming on back. So let's get into the video. Okay, like I said, remember I had purchased this bag. This is my Trekker bag. I have yet to use it, but I am going to use it because I am planning a trip to Paris. So I'm trying to figure a way that I can fit all of my items in this bag. So we'll see how it goes. In doing so, I picked up two handbags because I didn't know which one that would kind of go with this one because I don't know, I just couldn't make up my mind. But I'm only going to keep one bag. So the first bag that I picked up is this. Look at this. Now, this handbag is called the Cami. It is so beautiful. It has a zip closure, which I love about it. That's the one thing that I really, really love is the zip closure. It has two pockets right here, and it also has a zip pocket. Let me see if I can turn it around. And it also has a zip pocket right here. It has this back pocket, which is very nice. I love a back pocket. And then the handle. Oh my gosh. Look at it. It has this gold chain link going into the red leather. It also has the two leather straps, and the leather straps are so nice. Look at them. They're not flimsy or anything. This handbag is pebbled leather. It feels so good. The zipper also on the inside right here is also leather, and it just has, not leather, I'm sorry, gold. And it has a little gold tab right here as well. This is such a nice handbag. The inside is just the maroon. It's just maroon. It's just a cloth material. It's nice, and I'm loving that it comes with this, oh my God, this tag right here, this Coach tag. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's so substantial. It's absolutely beautiful. And then it has the Coach, right here as well. I'm loving this bag. And then it also has Coach, let's see, it has Coach too, also stamped on these little rivets on all four of them, because it's one on each side of the bag as well. I'm telling you, it's so nice. It feels so good. I'm telling you, Coach is really stepping it up. And the fact that it comes with a zipper, that is one thing that was a requirement for me to have a zipper. However, let me show you the next bag. This handbag is the Coach Gallery Tote. Now, this is the bag that I meant to pick up, but I wanted it in red. They no longer have it in red. The red is sold out. So this is the one that I wanted. I went in to get, but I didn't. I picked up the red bag first, and I was like, oh, I really like this, blah, blah, blah. I got it home. But then I kept thinking about this gallery bag. So I was like, let me see. What do I want to do? And I'm still so up in an awe because I still don't know which bag I should keep, because I like them both, but I can only keep one, and I only need one. So that's why I need you guys' help. Even so, this bag, it's leather, but it's like the coated leather, or it's like not even the coated leather. What is that coated leather? It's almost like an epi leather, like with Louis Vuitton. It's not as smooth, but it's very durable. However, it does have a zip pocket here, which is it's just a zip pocket, It's pretty substantial as well. It goes all the way down to here, to the bottom. It's very nice. And it does have the gold on it as well. And it does have Coach on it as well on the zipper. And then it does have the Coach right here. It does have a zip on it, which was a must for me, a closure. And it has the same as that tote. It has a zipper pocket right here. The bag is black, so you can't really see inside. And it has the 2 pockets also over here. And it also has the the leather tag right here, and it does say Coach on it. Now, I like this bag. I couldn't stop thinking about this bag, but however, I just so love the color of this bag. I just so love the color. This bag right here, was the color of this bag. I'm telling you, it would be a no-brainer. I would keep this. However, since I got both these bags together pairs, the gallery tote, this black bag, it's larger than the red bag. And that's what I like about it, because it's larger. Because even though I'm going to Paris and I plan on staying about 3 weeks, not 3 weeks, 2 weeks, to say. I'm staying 2 weeks. I don't want to carry a bunch of stuff. And I know I can get like my summer stuff in here along with my toiletries and put some stuff in here, because I am not checking a bag, and I just want to take that and just be minimal, because I do not want to be carrying all of these handbags with me and stuff and luggage. I just don't want to even roll like that. In saying so, I really wanted a red bag to go with this bag, because this bag does have, I don't know if you can see it. Yes, you can see it. It has the red piping to go around it. So I thought that the red would just add that wow factor. However, in saying so, this bag has nickel or silver, you would say like nickel metal. I don't mind that. It really doesn't matter to me. I just noticed it, to tell you the truth. And I mix my metals, so it doesn't matter. Because you can see right now, I have on gold earrings and a gold and silver necklace and my ring. So it doesn't matter to me about the metals. However, neither one of these bags, neither one of these totes down here, this looks good in the metal. However, these 2 bags, I would not like them if they were in the silver or the gunmetal color, because I love Coach's gold and I love the way it looks on the handbags. It's just so substantial. It's just beautiful. It looks so good. It really brings this bag out, and this one as well. Now let's see. I'm going to hold them up. I'll show you at the bottom, because what I mean about the difference in them. So the best way to show you is to hold it up like this. So you can see that they are, see, this one is, the black one is like about 2 inches or maybe 3 inches bigger. But however, the black one is taller. It's taller than, the black one is way taller than the red one. And the height really does make a difference, because I need as much space as I can possibly get to take with me. I need as much space in these bags as I can get on my trip to Paris. So space means a lot to me. But however, I need you guys helping, letting me know, which one would you keep? Which one do you think is most practical? And even though this one doesn't have a zip pocket on the front, but it does have this pocket on the back. But however, this one has a zip pocket on the front, as well. This one has it on, it has a zip pocket, and it's more secure, and I could put my phone in there or whatever. So you guys let me know which one you would keep, which one you like the best. Let's talk about cost. I am so sorry. I was about to forget that, fam. So let's see here. Okay. Okay, so the red bag, wow, which is beautiful, the red, and matching my lipstick, look. Okay, it was this bag was $145.18. It says here that the regular price was $428. It was additional, let's see here, it was, and then I got additional 20% off as well. It was half price, and I got additional 20% off. So it came to $145.18, which is very good for this bag. For the red bag here, let's see what this one says. So this one was $111.30. So you can see the price difference between the two. This one is, I guess because of the gold chain, I guess that has more gold, and it does have that substantial gold tag on it. This, I'm telling you, this gold tag right here, this thing is substantial. It has some, this gold tag right here, it has some weight to it. This definitely has some weight to it. So that's the price. So let me know your thoughts and which one you would keep, because I need you guys' help in whichever one you choose. That is the one I'm going to keep, because I'm indecisive. I don't know which one I should keep. So thank you guys for coming here. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. Welcome on back. I love you guys. You guys are the best subscribers ever. In addition, now let's take care of some housekeeping. I've noticed that I'm getting a pretty good views on my videos. But however, y'all are not subscribing. So let's subscribe to the video and broaden our family. Let's just stretch our family out and just grow our family. So as you know, I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers by my anniversary date here on YouTube, which is March 31st. And I need you guys' help in doing so. Right now, at this moment that I'm filming this video, which is on a Friday, we are at, let's see, 262 subscribers. And believe me, I am happy, happy, happy. It means a lot to me. Thank you guys so much. So what we're going to do, as I always say, share, 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 and share some more. Let's get this family growth popping, and let's just keep on going. I'm telling you, the sky is the limit, and I can't do it without you guys. So I will see you again when? Next Sunday. I love you guys. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know which bag that you like and which bag you would keep. Also, I will put the in the description box these two bags and where they cost, and I'll save the link so that, I will share the links in the description box. So if you are interested in any one of these bags, you can go pick up one as well. Okay, so thank you. See you guys next Sunday. I love you. Goodbye. Mwah.